So no footwork, because we already know the footwork. It's on the YouTube. Confidence. But we're doing right here. So first, basic. 1, 2, open break. 3, 4. Leads. If you wait for the follow to come to you, this move is done. So if I do this 5, 6, you already turned too much. So you have to go to the follow. I go to the follow, block, and then direct. See, I'm also moving. It's not just the follow doing all the work. So we're here. I go to my follow, I block, and then I make this happen. Then I do a left turn. 1, grabbing the hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make sure you were stopping the follow here, giving support whenever they finish that turn. Right, Jessa? Mm-hmm. So then we can do 1, 2, 3. See how I'm blocking her right here from keep going? Keep going. Nope, not on my watch. And then I'm like, okay. And 5. We look back at it. Transfer away 6, 7, 8. Then we do a slow walk. 1, 3. Then a body roll. 5, 7, 8. Hip to the right. Hip left. Chest. Chest to the right. Hip down. And then finish 7, 8. That move. See or see?
See.
And then without the brakes. Because Janelsa just, she, how do you say, grounded me? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5. 7, 8, and 1, and 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. Did we count it? That was a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, and 5, 7, 8, and 1. You can do tap or no tap. 5, 7, hip, chest, chest, hip, and 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, and 5, 7. Yes.